Namaste and welcome. In this video, we shall discuss BSc Mathematics 3rd semester syllabus and examination pattern for the academic year 2021 prescribed by Karnataka University, Dharwad. For PCM combination of BSc 3rd semester, there are 6 subjects, namely Language Kannada, Basic English, one compulsory paper PDCS, 3 core subjects Physics, Chemistry and Mathematics. In Kannada subject, only one theory paper is there, 20 internal assessment, 80 term and examination, total 100 marks. Similar to Kannada is Basic English, theory, 20 marks internal assessment, 80 term and examination, 100 marks. Similar is PDCS, 20 internal assessment and 80 term and examination, total 100 marks. In core subject Physics, theory paper 20 internal and 80 term and examination 100 marks, and practical paper 10 internal and 40 practical end examination 50 marks. In chemistry also one theory and one practical, 100 marks for theory and 50 marks for practical, out of which 20 internal assessment in theory, 10 internal assessment in practical. In mathematics, there are 2 theory papers, paper 1 and paper 2, each term and examination 60 marks and internal assessment 15 marks. Totally 75 plus 75, 150 marks for mathematics. Let us look at mathematics subject in detail. As we told already, it has 2 papers. Paper 1 is Algebra and Number Theory. It has 3 units. Unit 1 Elements of Set Theory, Unit 2 Number Theory and Unit 3 Group Theory. Paper 2 is Algebra and Analysis. It has 3 units again. Unit 1 Rings, Integral Domains and Fields, Unit 2 Real Analysis and Unit 3 Trigonometry. Let us look at unit-wise topics in detail of each paper. In first paper, Unit 1 Elements of Set Theory, topics are recap of union and intersection of sets, equivalence relations, partition of a set, arbitrary unions and intersections, De Morgan's laws, countable and uncountable sets. Time allocated for this is 10 hours. Unit 2 Number Theory, topics are definition of divisibility, properties of divisibility, GCD, the Euclidean algorithm, congruence, fundamental theorem of arithmetic, Euler's function, number of positive divisors and their sum, Fermat's and Wilson's theorem. Time allocated for this topic is 10 hours. Unit 3 Group Theory, topics are groups, abelian group, standard examples of groups, properties of groups, subgroup and its properties, permutation group, cyclic groups, cosets, Lagrange's theorem, normal subgroups, quotients group, homomorphism and isomorphism of groups, kernel of homomorphism, fundamental theorem of homomorphism. Time allocated for this unit is 20 hours. Let us look at the question paper pattern of paper 1. As you see in this table, there are 3 types of questions. Question 1 2 marks questions, question 2 5 marks questions, question 3 10 marks questions. Question 1 8 questions will be there and you have to answer only 5, 10 marks. In question 2 5 marks questions 10 will be given, you have to answer only 6, 30 marks. In question 3 4 10 marks questions will be given, you have to answer only 2, 20 marks. If you see the unit wise weightage, unit 1 elements of set theory weightage is 24 marks, out of which 2 marks questions, 2 5 marks questions and 1 10 marks question. Unit 2 number theory 29 marks weightage, out of which 2 marks questions, 3 5 marks questions and 1 10 marks question. Unit 3 group theory having 53 marks weightage, out of which 4 2 marks questions, 5 5 marks questions and 2 10 marks questions. Totally 106 marks question paper, You have to answer only 60 marks. Lot of choices will be there. Look at the weightage of each unit and prepare thoroughly. Let's move on to paper 2, algebra and analysis. First unit, rings, integral domains and fields. Topics are definition, examples, abelian ring, ring with unity and without unity, finite and infinite rings, only definitions. Units in a ring, zero divisors in a ring, ring without zero divisor, properties of ring, division ring, integral domain and field definitions. Theorems. 1. A finite integral domain is field. 2. Every field is an integral domain. Time allocated for this unit is 10 hours. Second unit is real analysis. Topics are real valued functions of more than one variable, limits and continuity, partial derivatives, homogeneous functions and Euler's theorem, differentiability chain rule, total differential, Jacobians, Lagrange's mean value theorem for functions of two variables, Taylor's and Maclaurin's theorems for two variables, maxima and minima of functions of two and three variables, Lagrange's method of undetermined multipliers. Time allocated for this unit is 20 hours. Unit 3 is trigonometry. Topics are expansions of sine and cosine functions, series of sines and cosines, hyperbolic functions, logarithm of a complex number, summation of trigonometric series. Time allocated for this unit is 10 hours. Look at the examination pattern of paper 2. As you see in this table, question paper pattern is similar to paper 1. In first unit, weightage is 41 marks, out of which 3 2 marks questions, 4 5 marks questions, 1.5 10 marks question. Unit 2, weightage is 46 marks, 3 2 marks questions, 4 5 marks questions, 2 10 marks questions. Unit 3, weightage is 19 marks, 2 2 marks questions, 2 5 marks questions and half 10 marks question. Totally 106 marks question paper will be given. You have to answer only 60 marks. Again, lot of choices in this paper too. Let's see the references for these two papers. Set theory, intuitive approach by Y.F. Lin and S.Y. Lin. Set theory and related topics by SOM series. Introduction to mathematical analysis, Shanti Narayan, S. Chand and Company publications. College Mathematics for BSc Series 1 and 2, N. Rudraya and others. Shanti Narayan, Analytical Solid Geometry. And for Algebra, Golden Series, Firewall Media publication. Thank you for watching this video. For notifications of upcoming videos, you can subscribe and click bell icon of this channel. Thank you.